Good morning, students. Now we are going to discussing properties of trace of the matrix. So we know what is the trace of the matrix. For suppose if A is equal to A11, A12, A21, A22, then trace of, generally trace of the matrix denoted by TR of A is equal to A11 plus A22. Already we discussed about this one. Okay. So now properties of the trace of a matrix. See here, first property is we want to find out trace of A plus B. Very easy. Trace of A plus trace of B. No need to add these two matrices. Directly find the trace of A and trace of B. That gives the trace of A plus trace of B. Take one example. Let us take A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. B is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, per suppose. So A plus B matrix is what here? 1 plus 0, 1, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 2, 5, 4 plus 3, 7. Okay. See, what is trace of A plus B? 1 plus 7, that is equal to 8. Find out trace of A plus trace of B individually. So trace of A plus trace of B is equal to, trace of A means 1 plus 4, 5, plus trace of B means 3. 5 plus 3 is equal to again 8. So both give same answer. So no need to go for addition of these two matrices. Directly we can write. If you want, if you know the matrices A, B. Second one, trace of A minus B. Similarly, trace of A minus trace of B. So if you take one example, you can get it. Next, third one, trace of AB. Actually, AB and BA matrices may not be equal, but trace of A, B is equal to trace of BA. You take one example, you will get the same answer. Trace of AB, what you get, trace of BA also you get same. But you think here, don't think trace of AB is not equal to trace of A into trace of B. Sir, here A plus B, trace of A plus trace of B, trace of A minus B, trace of A minus trace of B. Trace of AB is also trace of A in trace of B, that is wrong. So it is not equal to trace of A in trace of B. But one thing I can say, trace of AB is equal to trace of BA. Next, fifth one. For suppose if we have any scalar multiplication to the matrix A, trace of Ka, no need to multiply K to this matrix. Directly, if you want to find out trace of Ka, this gives the answer K into trace of A. See, for suppose A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. If you want to find out Ka, so that means instead of K you take some 3A. So what is 3A? 3. 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. Okay. See, what is trace of 3A? Trace of 3A is equal to 3 plus 12. 3 plus 12 is equal to 15. Individually, you go for 3 into trace of A. What you have? 3 into. What is trace of A? 1 plus 4, 5. 3 5s are how much? 15. Both give same answer. Okay. Next one. You just remember these 5 properties. Next one, I explain one problem based on this one. If A is equal to 2 1 4 1, B is equal to 3 4 2 3, C is equal to 3 minus 4 minus 2 3, then find, this is one of the mains model problem, then find trace of A plus trace of A into BC by 2 plus trace of A into BC square whole by 4 plus trace of A into BC whole cube by 8 plus and so on infinity. Then find the value of this one is asking. Okay, see here, before going to do this problem, they given matrix A, matrix B and a matrix C also. And here the combination BC whole square, BC whole cube like that. First you find out the matrix BC, what you will get. Once check it out. First find out BC. What is BC matrix? Multiplication 3, 4, 2, 3 into 3 minus 4 minus 2, 3. Okay, this value becomes 2. So directly you can write 3 3s are 9, this row to this column. What you get? 3 3s are 9 minus 4 2s are 8. Okay, 9 minus 8, 1. Next, 3 4s are 3 into minus 4, second column. 3 into minus 4, minus 12, 4 into 3, plus 12, minus 12 plus 12, 0. Next, this row to this column. 2 3s are 6, minus 6, that is also 0. Next, this row to this column. 2 into minus 4, minus 8, 3 3s are 9, minus 8 plus 9, 1. So this is nothing but I 2 by 2 matrix, very clear. Already I told you that if you multiply a unit matrix to any matrix, gives same matrix. So properties, algebraic properties, IA is equal to AI is equal to A. Instead of this one, you just remember one more thing. I square or I power n, whatever number you take, I square, I cube, I 4, for itself you multiply any number of times, it will same again I only. Okay, clear? See, if you use this formula, this expression you can rewrite as trace of A plus trace of A into I by 2. Yes, this is BC is equal to I plus trace of A into, this is actually I square. BC means I square means again I power n, any value, 1, 2, 3, 4, you take any one, that gives I only. So I square means I only, AI by 4 plus trace of A, this is I cube means AI by 8 plus and so on infinite. So this value becomes 2, trace of A plus. Just now we just I gave one property based on traces. Trace of Ka is equal to K into trace of A. Here K means any real number. Any real number means K means maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, root 2, whatever maybe. Okay, so here you understand this is here 1 by 2 is there, here 1 by 4 is there, 1 by 8 is there. Instead of K, here what is the number? 1 by 2, here 1 by 4, here 1 by 8. You can write that K outside. Okay, you can write. So 1 by 2 into trace of, what is the numerator here? AI. So AI is equal to, IA is equal to A. So directly you can write this is trace of A only. Next, this is AI again A. That is by 4 plus, okay, you write outside by 4. Okay, here 1 by 8 into trace of A plus n. See here, what you can take outside trace of A, you can take outside from every term. So take a trace of A, take outside. This is 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 plus and so on infinite. So in SSC students, they know very well. CBSE also, if you don't know, just remember. This is in GP. GP, you know, geometric progression. So in geometric progression, sum of infinite. Geometric progression means A plus AR plus AR square plus and so on infinite. If it is like this, that means common ratio is R. Then S into is equal to, and that means sum of infinite terms is equal to A by 1 minus R if mod R less than 1. This formula is very, very important in progressions. If you don't know, just remember. Here it is A means 1. R means 1 by 2. Remember. A means 1, that means 1 by 2 by 1. 1 by 2. 1 by 4 by 1 by 2. 1 by 8 by 1 by 4. Is it can you take A as 1? Here common ratio means AR by AR square by AR cube by AR square, R you get. So then only we can say that is in GP. So is it in GP or not? Once check out. 1 by 2 by 1, 1 by 2. 1 by 4 by 1 by 2. 2 here 2 times going 1 by 2. 1 by 8 by 1 by 4. Here what you have 4 here 2 times going same 1 by 2. So here common ratio is equal to 1 by 2. That means first term A is equal to 1, R is equal to 1 by 2. So it is, and this R is less than 1. Mod R less than 1 means that intention is that R should be licensed between -1 to 1. That should be a proper fraction. So 1 by 2 is a proper fraction. So go for proper fraction. So use this formula. So this is nothing but trace of A. So already we know matrix A. What is trace of A? 2 plus 1, 3. 3 into. So use this formula. S into is equal to A by 1 minus R. Here A is equal to 1 by 1 minus R means 1 by 2. So this is equal to 3 into. So 1, 2 LCM, 2 minus 1. So this 2 goes to numerator. So 3 into 2 by 2 minus 1 means 1. This is equal to 6. So this is very important model problem. Okay, go to next problem.